Hey there, welcome to today's video. We got an interesting problem on our hands that many developers might encounter. The problem we'll be tackling involves understanding why the address of a variable in a program doesn't fall within the expected stack range. It's a puzzling situation that can leave you scratching your head. But fear not, we've got a solution up our sleeves to shed some light on this mystery. Now, let's delve into the solution that will help us make sense of this address mishap. The key lies in constructing the command line using the process ID of our own program. By tweaking the code and incorporating the PID, we can accurately retrieve the correct stack range. This adjustment ensures that we're pulling the memory map information from our own process, rather than an external one. Running this modified code will reveal the accurate stack range and the address of our variable, aligning with our expectations. Expanding on our solution, running the updated code showcases the stack range where our variable resides, along with its corresponding address. This refined approach ensures that we're accessing the relevant memory map information specific to our program, leaving no room for confusion. By leveraging the PID and tailoring our command line accordingly, we can pinpoint the exact location of our variable within the stack range. It's a simple yet effective method to demystify the discrepancy in memory addresses. To further solidify our understanding, we've enhanced our program to directly read and display the stack information without relying on external commands. This streamlined approach offers a clear insight into the stack range and the precise address of our variable, reinforcing our grasp on the memory layout. By accessing the stack details internally, we ensure accuracy and eliminate any discrepancies, providing a comprehensive view of the memory structure within our program. In conclusion, we've navigated through a perplexing memory address issue and emerged with a thorough understanding of how to pinpoint variable locations within the stack range. By incorporating the process ID, tailoring our commands, and refining our approach, we've successfully resolved the discrepancy and gained valuable insights into memory management. I hope you found this journey enlightening and informative. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy coding!